With temperatures staying cold, it looks like we may be in for a white Christmas with this latest snowfall.
CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli talks snow and cleanup with some residents up in McHenry.
At Dave Miller's house on Center Street, this longtime McHenry resident found himself at the center of one of Chicagoland's highest snowfall totals. But he was taking it in stride, waging battle with a shovel, jeans jacket, and a whole lot of muscle power.
At times I like to get out and shovel to kind of get the heart to pump a little quicker.
Kids, surprise, surprise, were enjoying the heaping from Mother Nature, which amounted to winter's first big kick. Eric Sanchez was thrilled to gingerly lead his classmates toward the waiting school bus. Dennis Young was snowballing the driveway of his Queen Anne Victorian while Santa and Frosty quietly looked on. But this 30-year resident probably would have appreciated a little help, more so than a kindly gaze. Does it make it a little easier to do all this work when you've got St. Nick and Jack Frost looking over you to make sure you do the job right?
Yeah, right. No, neither one.
Finally got some snow to plow.
There are 600 square miles in McHenry County, and I don't know why, but it kind of feels like to me all that snow got pushed right here to Main Street in downtown McHenry.
It was well covered. We knew it was coming, so.
Alicia Elwanger showed off her flex appeal after clearing the sidewalk in front of her business, the Painted Fox.
Brings in the holidays in a good, cheery way.
And it's that positive attitude that partly explains why Elwanger didn't even realize she just shoveled nearly 11 inches of snow, the most in the area. In McHenry, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News.